Does it feel like you're doing everything right, visualizing, affirming, and staying positive, but your manifestation still isn't working? You're not alone. Many people struggle with manifestation, but it's not because the law of attraction doesn't work. It's often because of a few key mistakes that block the process. Today, we'll uncover the biggest reasons most people fail at manifestation, and more importantly, how you can fix them to finally align with your desires. Reason number 1, impatience and lack of trust. Manifestation takes time, and one of the biggest blocks is impatience. When you obsess over when or how your goal will manifest, you create resistance, lowering your vibration and signaling doubt to the universe. Fix it. Focus on trust and gratitude instead. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, even if you can't see immediate results. Reframe delays as opportunities to align more deeply with your goal. Mantra: I trust the timing of the universe and know my desires are on their way. Reason number 2, lack of clarity. Another common issue is being unclear about what you truly want. Vague goals lead to vague results. The universe responds to specificity, so if your desires aren't well defined, your energy won't align effectively. Fix it. Get crystal clear on your desires. Define what you want in detail, what it looks like, feels like, and why it's important to you. The more specific your intention, the easier it is for the universe to deliver. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I attract $10,000 this month through exciting and aligned opportunities. Reason 3, misaligned beliefs. Your subconscious mind plays a huge role in manifestation. If you're consciously affirming your desires, but subconsciously holding on to limiting beliefs like, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve this, you'll block your manifestations. Fix it. Identify and replace limiting beliefs. Start by asking yourself, what fears or doubts come up when I think about my goal? Then reframe them with empowering affirmations. For example, replace I'm not good with money with I manage and attract money effortlessly. Reason 4, lack of action. Manifestation isn't just about visualizing, it's about taking inspired action. The universe opens doors, but you need to walk through them. Waiting passively for your dreams to materialize creates stagnation. Fix it. Pay attention to intuitive nudges and act on them. Inspired action feels natural and exciting, even if it's a small step. Remember, momentum creates miracles. Reason number 5, focusing on lack. When you focus on what you don't have, you amplify lack. This sends a signal to the universe that you're not aligned with abundance. Fix it. Shift your focus to abundance. Practice gratitude daily and visualize your life as if you already have what you desire. Feeling abundant now attracts more abundance into your life. Manifestation is not about perfection. It's about alignment. By addressing these common mistakes, you can clear the blocks that have been holding you back and step into the flow of abundance. Now it's your turn. Which of these mistakes do you think has been blocking your manifestations? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to help you manifest the life of your dreams. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.